In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons in Acuity Scheduling. So if you wish to do that, first head over to acuityscheduling.com and click on this Get Started option in order to get started for an account. If you already have an account, proceed to click on this login option that we can see right here. So since I already have one, let me just log in. Here is my dashboard right here. In order to add some add-ons on your Acuity, head over right here to your left sidebar and you can find your appointment types. Once you're in here, you can see this add-ons option. Click on this right here. Click on this create add-on and then this will open this window. Input right here the add-on for that. So for example, onto this case, let's input an add-on for gems. Now input right here the additional price for each of it. Let's input right here 20 as well as additional duration for that. Let's input 5. You can change right here the client access, availability. Let's add it for this one. And then after that, click on this create. After that, the add-on shall be added. Now, you can actually charge this particular add-on and it should be able to appear to the client's invoice if they actually avail this particular add-on themselves. So for example, you can head over right here into your actual payments and head over to your invoices. Just create a new invoice and if they actually avail that particular add-on, you can just click on this add-in. Choose right here the appointment type and choose right here the add-ons that they have made. Input right here the quantity that they have gotten and you can find it right here. Just click on this send and you can charge for the add-on right here. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.